Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi no internet connection on laptop your Windows 11 computer. As the initial step, you need to go to search bar, type CMD, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. Done. Finally, you need to type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. Once you're done with these all commands, you have to restart your computer. Then after, the next method is you have to go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and go to troubleshoot option. Tap on other troubleshooters. Select the network adapter, scroll down. You can see network adapter is right here. Tap on run option. It will find the network adapter related issues, and if it is fixable, it will be automatically fix it. So you can follow the on screen methods to fix the issue. You can select if it is issue is Wi-Fi, Ethernet or all network adapters. Select that one, then after tap on next. This will fix your issue. So the next method is you have to right click on the start menu, go to device manager, expand the network adapters, double tap on it, select your Wi-Fi driver, right click on it, tap on update driver. Select the search automatically for drivers option. If it is says already installed, you have to go back, select the browse my computer for drivers, select the let me pick from a list, select your already existing driver, tap on next. This will reinstall the same driver. If there is issue, it will automatically fix it. Alternatively, you can right click on it and go to properties, go to drivers tab. You can try to roll back your driver, and if it is not working, you can tap on uninstall device and restart your computer. This will uninstall your device and reinstall automatically. Again, you need to right click on the start menu and go to device manager, double tap on network adapters, select your driver and right click on it, go to properties, go to power management tab, untick the allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Untick this one, tap on OK. Next method is you have to forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi network. To do that, go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, go to network and internet, select the Wi-Fi, tap on manage known networks, simply tap on forget option. It will forget your Wi-Fi router from your computer. Then after, you have to reconnect it from using give the password kind of credentials. So the next method is you have to reset the network setting. To do that, again you need to go to start menu and setting, select the network and internet, then after scroll down and tap on advanced network setting, tap on network reset option, simply tap on reset now. This will reset your network related settings. And next method is go to taskbar and select the Wi-Fi icon here. You can see there is a flight mode option. Make sure it is turned off while you are using Wi-Fi. If it is turned on, Wi-Fi will not working, so make sure turn it off. So if none of these methods are not working, you have to check your router and internet service. Okay, if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.